Hi, today we're talking about birds with an amazing talent. They can imitate sounds and even words. Let's check out top 5 most talkative birds. Number 5, the starling. This ordinary looking bird can surprise you. Starlings are masters at copying sounds. Other birds can earn horns, even ringtones. If you hear your phone ringing in the park, don't be too sure. It might be a starling. Number 4, the raven. Ravens are not only smart but also excellent at mimicking humans' voices. People are often shocked to hear a raven saying a few words. With enough time around humans, ravens can even learn simple phrases. Number 3, the African grey parrot. This one is a true genius. It can learn hundreds of words and even use them in the right context. Some African greys ask questions or give short answers, almost like they're having a real conversation. Number 2, the cockatoo. This playful bird doesn't just copy sounds, it makes them up. Cockatoos love performing, dancing, and talking. Owning one feels like having a little entertainer in the house. Number 1, the Amazon parrot, the absolute champion. Amazon parrots don't just repeat words, they can joke, change their voice's tone, and learn full expression. Some can even ring short songs. Thank you for watching this video. So, these are the top 5 birds that prove humans aren't the only talkers. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing animal facts. Bye!